Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're staring at the error code I30 on your IKEA dishwasher, don't panic. It's a common issue that we can tackle together. In this video, we'll break down what this code means, why it happens, and step-by-step solutions to get your dishwasher running smoothly again. Let's dive in. First things first, what does error code I30 actually mean? This code typically indicates a problem with the water inlet system. Essentially, your dishwasher isn't getting the water it needs to operate, which can cause it to stop mid-cycle or not start at all. It's like your appliance is thirsty and can't quench its thirst. Now, let's talk about the causes. There are a few common culprits behind this error. It could be a clogged inlet filter that's blocking water flow, a faulty water inlet valve that isn't opening properly, low water pressure in your home, or even a kinked hose restricting the supply. Identifying the root cause is key to fixing it quickly. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by ensuring safety. Unplug your dishwasher and turn off the water supply. Step 1. Inspect the inlet hose. Look for any bends or kinks and straighten them out if needed. This is an easy fix and might resolve the issue right away. Step 2. Clean the inlet filter. Locate it, usually at the bottom of the unit or where the hose connects. Remove it. Rinse it thoroughly under running water to remove any debris, and reinstall it securely. Run a test cycle to see if the error clears. If that doesn't work, step 3 involves checking the water inlet valve. This might require some tools, so if you're not comfortable, call a professional. You may need to test the valve with a multimeter or replace it altogether. Finally, verify your home's water pressure. If it's too low, that could be the problem. Consider contacting a plumber. By following these steps, you should banish that I30 error for good. Remember, if you're ever unsure or the problem persists, it's always best to consult a certified technician. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Stay tuned for more home fix tips.